One thing we get asked from time to time is, how do keys sound on keyboards? Well, right here I actually have the Redragon BS8772 wireless keyboard and mouse setup. Now, these keys are actually quite quiet, and you guys will hear that in a second right now. Now, you do hear a little bit of clickiness with this, but it's not super loud and super annoying for some people. This is actually going to work well for a lot of people, especially if you have significant others that always get, tired of you video gaming or typing all the time. So, as you guys see, the sound is not overly powering, it's just perfectly set. So if you need a semi-quiet keyboard, this might actually be the keyboard for you guys with this setup. Again, that's the Redragon BS-8772 wireless keyboard and mouse set.